Okay, so another thing that can help with the standard algorithm method, let's say we are subtracting 2,979 from 4,000, right? Now, there are two ways we can go about this. We can apply the principle of constant difference. We take away one from the number, from both sides. Why does this work? Because if you are doing 6 minus 4 is 2. When you take away 1 from 6, this becomes 5 minus 4, but 5 minus 4 is 1. The only way you would still get 2 as an answer is if you also take away 1 from 4. 6 minus 1 gives you 5, and 4 minus 1 gives you 3. Okay? Now, if you take away the same number from both numbers, from the number you're subtracting and from the number you're subtracting from, you will always get the same answer. Now, we take away 1 from 4,000 and we take away 1 from 2,979. This becomes 3,999 and 2,978. Now you can subtract them. And the reason this works is because subtraction is always easy when the number you're subtracting from is 9 or ends in 9. Now 9 minus 8 is 1, 9 minus 7 is 2, 9 minus 9 is 0, 3 minus 2 is 1. That means the answer to this is 1,021. And this is just one way to solve this using the algorithm method. Another way is the standard regrouping method. Now we have 4,000, and 4,000 basically means 400 tens or 40 hundreds or 4,000s. Now these are different ways to see it. Let's see it as 400 tens. We have 400 tens. When we take away 110 from 400 tens, this becomes 399 tens. The 110 we took away from 400 tens, we're going to exchange it for, instead of 110, we're going to exchange it for 10 ones, right? Now, when we add 10 ones here, 10 ones to 0 ones, it becomes 10 ones. Now, we're subtracting 9 ones from 10 ones. The answer is 1. Now, this becomes 399 tens. Yes. 9 minus 7 is 2. 9 minus 9 is 0. 3 minus 2 is 1. Once again, we still got the same answer. So once again, what we did here is simple. We changed how we viewed this number, because the other way to do it is we borrow from this, we put it here, we borrow from it, we put here, we borrow from it, and we put here. This is just longer. It's just the same thing as regrouping all of this as 400 tens. Take away 110 from this, this becomes 399 tens, and the 10 that remains, you exchange it for 10 ones, and this becomes 10 ones. Still the same thing as what is being done here. And this is one way to make this standard algorithm method quite easy. So in review, there are many ways of subtracting. The different ways of subtracting all takes you to the same destination. Some methods are easier for some people, some methods are a bit difficult for some people, but you can just learn to master one core method. The algorithm method of subtraction is what is being taught in schools. Learn that method. Learn alternative ways of subtracting using that same method, but don't burden yourself with learning several methods of subtraction. All right. Thank you for watching.